Hi, this is Angeline here. Today I have a fun quick tip video for you and I'm going to show you how I made this water shaker card. Yup, water. So I've grabbed the Unity stamp gracefully designed teacup with flowers here, and I've die cut a circle in the middle of the teacup using the cat scrappiness circle nesting die. Just pick the right size for it. And I've also die cut another piece for the base of my teacup. So for the water part, I'm using a small Ziploc bag here. You could use any plastic bags, but Ziploc I guess is better because the water will not leak. So before I place the water into the bag, I'm placing it into a container and I'm grabbing the Dilutions Mounted Chocolate color here and spritzing some into the container. And I'm grabbing some dry distress glitter here. And I'm also adding another glitter here, which is the distress glitter, which has chunkier glitter so that you can see it better in the water. So just mix everything well together and then put it into the Ziploc bag. Then I'm grabbing a piece of acetate here, or any plastic packaging will do, and just adhere it to the back of the teacup. So now I like to add some foam adhesive to the back of my teacup, and I'm doubling the foam tape here because mine was kind of thin, and I want to use my Ziploc bag here to kind of measure how wide of a gap I should leave so that I could insert my Ziploc bag easily later. Once I am happy with the position, it's time to remove all the adhesive. And remember the base that I cut out earlier, I would like to adhere that to the back of my teacup and hence creating a pocket so that I could insert my Ziploc bag easily behind. Then use some strong cellophane tape and just adhere it to the back of the base. And voila! A water shaker card with some bonus glitters and glimmer in it as well. Kind of looks like coffee, right? So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!